Hello everyone, myself Payal Satish Jadhav and my roll number is at 21. Today, me and my team are going to discuss about the Java programming, that is reverse an array in a place without using any second array. For the reversing an array without using a second array, we are using the alternate method, that is swapping, in which we are going to swap the first element with the last element and the second element with the second last element, and so on until we reach the middle of that array. And it is this method is more easy to use, and these occupy the less memory.
Hello everyone, myself Saurabh Deepak Patil, and today we will be seeing the time complexity and space complexity of array reversal. So what basically time complexity means is the time taken by algorithm to reverse all the array is known as time complexity. The time complexity of this algorithm is big O of n, as this algorithm has to iterate up to n by 2 times and swap all the elements. And talking about the space complexity of the algorithm is big O of 1, as no additional space is used in array reversal. For time for the time complexity to be less, the array should be either in descending order or in ascending order.
Hi everyone, my name is Mori Viraj, roll number 23. Here we have one example of array with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to reverse the elements or array, so we replace 1 by 5, 2 by 4, 3 don't have any element with it, so we don't replace 3, or we get the array with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, I'm Salunke Jagruti Suresh. My roll number is 24. So I'm here to explain the programming logic of a program. So we will begin. The first step in this is we will initialize the first element of the array equal to I, and the last element of the array that is equal to j. And now we will apply the logic, that is we will swap the values of first position and last position, that is 1 and 5. So 5 will be placed at the first position and 1 will go at the last position. Similarly, after this, the value of the I will increment at second position and the value of j will decrement and it will come at the second last position. And now further we will swap the values at the second and second last position, that is 2 and 4. So 2 will go at the fourth position and 4 will come at the second position, and 3 will remain at that position only. So this is what the logic is applied in this, and we will get the reverse array.
Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh and my roll number is 25. So today I will be discuss about the reversing of the array element without using the second array. So let's see this program. So firstly, we have declared our main method. As you can see here, we have declared our main method in this reverse class. Then in this main method, we are declaring the integer type array, and we are initializing the value to this array as 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. Then again we are initializing or declaring the another variable, which is the middle variable, and we are assigning the values to this middle variable as a array.length. So as you can see here, I have used this length property. So this is a array property which is inbuilt in Java, and using this dot operator we are invoking this length property. So this array.length will calculate the length of the array. So in this example, the length of the array is 5, so it will become a 5 divided by 2, which is a 2, because here data type is integer. Then again we are declaring the another variable, which is the temp variable and j variable. So in this j variable, we are storing the value, that is the array.length minus 1. So this array.length will calculate the length of the array, which is in this case is 5 minus 1, which is a 4. So this 4 will be get stored in this j variable. Then let's see this block. So in this block, as you can see here, we have used a for each loop. So this is the syntax of for each loop, and for each loop is used to traverse all the element of the array. So this block is just for printing the array elements. Then let's see this block. So this is the main block of our program. So here, before that, as you can see here, I have used this system.out.println. So it is just for formatting our output in the terminal. So let's focus on these blocks. So here, as you can see here, firstly we are initializing this for loop with I is equal to 0. Then we will run this for loop up to the I is less than middle, and in updation case we are incrementing the value of I and decrementing the value of j. So initially value of I is 0 and initially value of j is 4. Then look at this three statement. So it is the main logic of our program. So here we are using the concept of swapping. So in swapping we take the another variable, we take the help of the another variable. So here we are taking the temp as another variable, and we are storing or initializing this temp as an array of I, means we are storing the value of first index in this temp variable. Then array of I is equals to array of j. So here we will just storing the last index value to the first index. Then again in the next statement, array of j is equals to temp, means our first index value will be get stored at the last index using this temp variable, because in temp variable we have stored the value of our first index. So this is the main logic of this program. Now let's see this block. So this block is just for printing the array elements again. So here also we have used the for each loop. So let's see the output of this program. So as you can see in the terminal, so here this is our array before the reversal, and this is our array after the reversal. So as you can see here, this 11 will be get swapped by this 55, then 22 will be get swapped by 44, and same for the 33, because it is a middle index, so it will become as it is. So we have get the reverse of this array, which is nothing but 55, 44, 33, 22 and 11. So here we are using the concept of the swapping. So thank you.